How to delete your Threads account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete or maybe just get rid of your Threads account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you got excited, you got into the hype, you happened to create a Threads account, you started a couple of threads, and now maybe you decided that you're fed up of it and you decided that you want to maybe delete your account, but to your surprise you understood that Meta actually doesn't let you delete your Threads account. There's a very distinctive thing that you have to understand. One is that you will not be able to completely delete or entirely delete your Threads account until and unless you choose or decide to delete your Instagram account itself. So that is how Meta has been functioning so far. As of right now, by the time you're watching this video, things could be different, but as of right now, which means as of the date this video is actually being published, there is currently no way Meta is going to let you completely delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. The only thing you can do, however, is that you can choose to deactivate your account, which means your Threads account is not going to get public. It is as good as deleting, but of course as long as you don't log in, there's no harm. It's just as good as deleting. And in order to do so, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Threads application here. Once you launch the Threads app, you want to just come to the profile tab by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap the settings icon or the two lines icon from the top right hand side, and then I want you to simply go to account. Once you go to account, over here you'll be able to find this option known as deactivate profile. So as you can see, we only have one option known as deactivate profile. You want to simply make sure to tap on the deactivate profile option, tap on deactivate Threads profile, and then your Threads account will get successfully deactivated, but it's also as good as deleting it. This way you can delete your Threads account, but by the time you could be watching this video, things could be a little bit different. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.